we have tracked down the very first number one custom bike that Thornton Hundred ever made, and I've just been negotiating with the dude on Facebook, and we've agreed a price. So we're going to go there right now and see what it's all about. Can't wait. But cool, man. I remember this bike. I remember building it. This was the bike that I grabbed when I literally left my job as an apprentice, and it was the very first bike that I managed to get hold of. I bought it off a family friend. I didn't pay a lot of money for it. I think we're actually buying it back for about what we paid for it, what we sold it for. So I think it's seen better days, but it's going to be a cool thing to have, that's for sure, in the Thornton Hundred arsenal of motorcycles. And it was built on a double hard budget, and I'm looking at it now, and it is a massive piece of shit. But that's what it was. I built this bike when I didn't know how to build motorbikes, and that's what we've developed from. So it's going to be good to see that contrast of the builds. So yeah, looking forward to it. First bike that I made is wow. Does it run?
Engine was rebuilt and it runs really sweet.
Yeah.
Really sweet,
man. Yeah, what weapon, man. I remember selling it, and like I say, this was the first one we built. Wow. Yeah, we just gonna put it up there, you know what I mean? Like the first one. So, yeah, wild. God, I would have ground all this off on mine. Made the spaces. Just because I'm so used to seeing, well, obviously we've been developing our new bike, and that new bike is so advanced in everything that it does. It's just crazy to see where we come from, man. It's yeah, absolutely wild. But what we do, it needs a lot of work. What weird way to exit a bike. First one, bro.
Man, it's a good thing you got better at building them, mate.
It's mad, isn't it? Look at that, like randomly. This came off a Kawasaki.
That was mine. that was off my 636.
Remember?
I've been looking for this.
Yeah.
This is like coming back. What a fantastic piece of heritage. That's the rear light. I glued that on there. Look at this bed.
See, look, you were doing it.
Wait, it's coming out. It's coming out the other end.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Don't make any sparks, genuinely. Hold on. Come on.
Where's the fuel cap go? Oh, I've got some there.
Oh wait, the tank's pouring out of the tank.
Not too much.
I remember painting the wheels. And they all reacted, and I was like, oh my god, I've got to pay for them to be done professionally, and I can't afford it. And my old mate Ben did it, and yeah. So you just mental, man. I mean, this was what? This was the photo of this that I've got on my phone is from the 8th of January 2017. So how long ago was that? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 7.5 years ago. And now we've... It does go to show you, though, you know, you can do it if you just if you want it bad enough, you just do it, wouldn't you? And that's what I did here. This is a prime example of wanting it really bad. But yeah, very cool. Ever get firing 6 shots? Oh, come on. brakes literally don't work.
Give it a little work on it.
It's on fire. Give it a watch.
Oh fuck, wait. Bro, chill.
Just watch it down. Right guys, so there you have it, the very first bike that I built as Thornton 100 motorcycles. It's been 7.5 years and we bought it back. It's just insane to see the progress that we've made. I would say that this bike was pretty much thrown together back in those days. I didn't particularly know what I was doing. I could build a safe bike, but in terms of styling and obviously the access that I had to tools and technology was quite slim as well. So yeah, it's safe to say that yeah, it's not my finest work, but it's definitely some of my very earliest work as well. So I would have been around 19 when I built this. So yeah, we've come a long way. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys, and also let me know what you think we should do with this as well, whether we should restore it, leave it as it is, or get it back up and running and go and do some riding on it. So let us know what you think in the comments, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please click that subscribe button, it really does help us, and we'll catch you on the next one.
I'll speak